Good morning, everyone. Today we will be covering the third scenario of a Apex trigger, in which we will be considering the case object. So we will be considering the origin field. If case origin equal to phone, then we have to set the priority up to high, else we have to set the priority to low in any other case. So let's see how we will be doing it. Let's start with this scenario. Putting the trigger on case only, and it is not dependent on any other object, so we can go with the before operation. So in today trigger we will be considering the before insert as well, before update as well. So both operation will be working. So now let's check how it will work. So we will be going on to case trigger. So let's open the developer console first. So if I go on the developer console, so I will, since this is new organization, we need to create a separate trigger for case. So I will be creating new trigger, that is file new Apex trigger. So case origin priority, and S object will be definitely case, because I'm writing this trigger on the case object. So let's search for a case. So it should be third or fourth. Yes, this is the object. So here my trigger has been created. So since it has provided me option, first choice we have already made, that is if we need to take before or after. So we will be considering the before trigger. So after going here, so I will be writing before update. What we need to do, since we have written it, so I will be checking it with the context variable, that is trigger dot is before and trigger dot is update. And so here our update and the insert operation is working similarly. So but since we will be going further with many scenarios, so we will be creating two if conditions, one is for insert, one is for update, so that if further any trigger come, then at that time we don't have to break the scenario, so it will be different. So I will be copying it and now again pasting it with command V with is insert. So is insert. So there will be line deduplication, but it will help in the centralized manner when we are going to inherit on the trigger factory. So let's go here. So let's create a set of, so since it is before update, so before up, so let's do it in one line for now. And trigger dot is insert. That time since there will be very much deduplication, so we are ignoring it for now. Next line, you must have remembered the concept of trigger dot new. So I will be writing case cs colon trigger dot new. So after writing here, so here I will be writing a condition, if cs dot origin double equal to phone, I'm comparing it. If it is double equal to phone, then what you have to do, then ces dot priority is equal to high. Else, if you go with the else part, here we will be considering the else part as well. If phone case origin is not phone, then you just need to do case dot priority equal to low. So as soon as you save it, so I hope this trigger is done. So let's test it first, then further we will be going on the test class for the same. So now what I will be going to do, I will be going on to the Service Cloud app. So after going on the Service Cloud app, I will be clicking on case. When you click on case, if you click new case, uh, because this trigger is also an insert and update, so I simply type equal to case origin equal to phone. So I'm not setting anything else, so it is asking for status and I'm saving this without. So you will be seeing that the priority has been set to medium. Just why it has been set to medium? So is the trigger working? So let's see. Case is phone. So I think that the trigger hasn't worked. Mechanical and phone. So let's, okay, before insert, before update. So instead of, let's remove this for now and save it out. Is before and is insert. Now it should work. So I will be just cloning the record. So as soon as I clone this record, the priority has been set to none starting in the starting. Now the priority has been set to high because we have added the AND condition, and both the condition will never match, and so that's why it has been set to medium. So let's see now in 2027 the case priority has been set to high. Okay, so let's write a test class for this. So in order to, so we are not going for a update operation. So if we can do one thing, if trigger dot is before, and I will be writing or condition here. If trigger dot is update. So now it will work. Let's change the case origin to, instead of phone, let's change it to something else. Let's change it to email and let's save it. So as soon as, so it doesn't work. So why it hasn't gone now? So I will be adding system dot debug hello, we are in trigger. I will be saving it. I think there is an error in this line. That's why it hasn't changed. So let's now make the changes again in the same case. So instead of email, I will be adding web. So as soon as I save it, so the case priority has been set to low. And instead of, if I go with the phone, so it will now save the record to high. So now my testing of trigger has been done accurately. Now the code is right. So this is the add-on that we have added. Instead of adding and double and, I'm adding or. If insert or update. So now going on a test class. So I simply click on new Apex class. So the name of the Apex class is case origin priority test. Origin priority test. So let's, here what we'll be writing, we will be writing @ is test. Okay, and the test method will also be like that, public static void test method 1. Further, it is a void method, so I can do anything. So let's create a case c1 equal to new case. So here c1 dot origin equal to phone. This is the first unit. C1 dot, what is the second field that is required whenever we are creating a case? So we will go on the case again and click on new, and we will be checking the required field. One is status that is required, and second is status. So status equal to new dot status equal to new. So that's it. So insert c1 So as soon as we click on save, so let's check what is the error. Now no error is coming. We are running the test. As soon as we run the test, so the test passed here. Now we are going on a trigger. So it is setting the percentage is 80% because we have done the insert where the high priority has been set, but we are not checking for low priority. So let's change it, and also we will be testing the update condition. So we will be adding c1 dot origin equal to, here I will be adding web. So as soon as you are adding web and you are updating c1, so as soon as you update the c1, now when you test the same trigger, so let's test the same trigger. Now you will be getting the coverage to 100% because all test cases have been covered. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks everyone.